In this video, we are crafting a handmade backgammon board step by step. First, we carefully apply glue to fix each wooden part securely. Precision is important to keep everything aligned perfectly. After that, we begin the sanding process to create a smooth and clean surface. Each movement makes the wood more refined and professional. This process requires patience, focus, and attention to detail. If you enjoy woodworking and satisfying processes, this video is for you. Subscribe to Master Armin John UZ channel and watch the full version on my channel.